In today's video, we will make homemade soap, do-it-yourself soap. This soap right here, I have already made. Although it's clear, it is very, very thick. It's really, really soapy. It smells so good. And I'm gonna show you how to make something like this yourself. If you smell it, oh my gosh, it smells so good. What we're gonna use today is gonna be very, very, very simple. What you'll do is first get a glass container like this one here, and you'll fill it up, and I'll demonstrate using this one. You'll fill it up with distilled water in a glass container so that there won't be any bacteria buildup. All right, you have a fourth of Castile soap. Castile soap is very, very good for all household products. You can clean with this, you can wash your clothes with this, you can mop the floor with this, you can clean your counters with this, and you can clean your hands and your body with this. Look at that already, it looks so good. Next, we'll use essential oil of your choice. You can use lime. I'm gonna use a cap of sweet almond and pour it in there like that. Also, for moisture, you can use coconut oil or vitamin E oil. I'm going to use vitamin E oil. I'm gonna just put a cap of this in there. You can use 6 to 8 drops. I just go ahead and put a cap. That easy, that simple. There you have it. Let's try it out. Try it. And if you want any more of these videos, subscribe.